My paper entitled was The Important Role of Using Resistant Variety in Handling Power Beetle Pest. The strategic role of corn crop. Corn has a strategic role in the national food map and as a mainstay commodity in accelerating the realization of food self-sufficiency. Corn is a plant that has a wide adaptability and is relatively easy to cultivate so that it can be planted on a various type of land agroecology, both dry land, paddy field, swampy land, and tidal land, and a various type of soil and climate type in areas within an altitude between 0 to 2,000 meters above the sea level. The contribution of corn as a food and feed reached 10% of the total protein and calorie intake, while in the national economy, corn is the second largest contributor after rice in the food crop subsector. Survey results show that the amount of household consumption for maize based on fixed figure in 2012 was 1.98 kilogram per capita per year. In 2016 alone, the demand for corn for food and raw material for domestic industries is 13.8 million tons. Corn farming business constraint. The main problem in maize farming is the amount of yield loss caused by the infestation of the powder pest Cytopilus siamais in the storage period. It is estimated that there are 17 insect families have potential to damage agricultural product in storage areas. Is represented by 1 to 3 type of insect. 800,000 insect species have been described as, and approximately 3 million species are unknown. Of the many warehouse pests, it is stated that Cytopilus siamais is the main and the most attractive pest. The ability to destroy this pest occur in the active larval state because the larvae bore and attack the seed and hide in the seed. These pests are found in many tropical and subtropical areas. This pest is polypagous because it can attack several plant products in food storage such as corn, sorghum, rice, wheat, and processed food products including pasta and biscuit. But in corn plant, this pest can attack the cob since the cob are still in the crop, especially varieties that have imperfect husk cover. Some researchers stated that the ability to destroy this pest range from 26 to 29%, even above 30%. In commodity storage in South Sulawesi, in the value of damage was recorded 85% with the ability to shrink the material up to 70%. Apart from direct damaging, this pest attack can reduce product quality, nutritional quality, seed weight, germination percentage, which is in turn will reduce the market value. Resistant varieties. Resistant varieties. Resistant varieties are varieties that can adapt optimally to pest infestation by avoiding attack or recovering from damage to condition. If other varieties occur, it will result in the crop damage. Resistant varieties are also defined as a variety that are capable of producing at a high level of pest attack. A plant variety is called resistant if it has a genetic characteristic that can reduce the level of damage caused by the pest. Has a set of inheritable traits which can reduce the likelihood of pests using the plant as a host or being able to produce more and better product. In implementing control recommendation, resistant varieties can be selected as an option because from an ecological point of view, resistant varieties are cumulative, that is, safe, economical, can inhibit the development of insect and disease factor, and are compatible when integrated with the other control component. The use of resistant varieties has a shortcoming, including limited genetic source, can change the quality of its resistance to different geographical conditions and trigger the emergence of new biotype of insects. Properties of resistance. Properties of resistance. According to the Sumarno, there are two types of resistance properties of varieties of plant, namely vertical and horizontal resistance. Vertical resistance is a type of resistance controlled by a single gene or monogenic by several genes and are only effective against a certain biotype of pest or neurospectrum. This is because the pattern of inheritance is only determined by single gene or small number of certain gene group. This type of resistance can produce a high level of genetic resistance. It can even reach the level of immunity, but it is very vulnerable if a new biotype appears in an epidemic condition. The susceptibility is in the same as an ordinary cultivar. Horizontal resistance, which is defined as a non-specific resistance mechanism and applies to all biotype of pests. Varieties which have this type of horizontal resistance can be obtained by integrating several minor resistant genes into a variety with a superior agronomic character in a crossbreeding activity. The special characteristic of horizontal resistance is it is usually has a lower level of resistance compared to the vertical resistant type, and it is rare for immunity to be polygenic inherited. Horizontal resistance is also called a quantitative resistance, namely a plant that have this resistance still show a little sensitivity to pests but can slow down the progression of the pest epidemic. Resistance mechanism. Plant resistance in all the characteristics and properties of the plant that allow plant to avoid the attack, have resistance or the ability to recover from the attack in condition where if it is occur on the other plant of the same species will cause greater damage. The mechanism of plant resistance to insect were identified in three categories, namely non-preference or antinoxis, antibiosis, and tolerance. Antinoxis is the operation of resistant mechanism by plant to trap or reduce colonization by insect. Generally, insects orient themselves toward the plant for food, a place of laying egg, and shelter. Plants that exhibit resistance with antisenotic properties can reduce the initial number of colonization in one season, as well as reduce population size in each generation compared to susceptible plant. Antibiosis. Antibiosis is a plant resistant mechanism which work after the insect colonized and have started using plant for their life. If an insect is a plant that has an antibiotic, that plant can affect the insect in terms of growth, development, reproduction, and survival. Plants that exhibit the action of antibiotics can reduce the rate of population increase by reducing the reproductive rate and survival of the insect. Tolerance. Tolerance is a genetic trait of a plant that can protect itself from the insect attack so that there is no significant loss of yield and economically or plant productivity still provide food quality and tradable product. Tolerance is an adaptation mechanism for plant survival to be free from the effect of an insect infestation. Identification of source resistant and population formation of a source resistant. Identification of source resistant. Dahlan and Slamet stated that transfer of the source of resilience was carried out by the selecting sibling were then carried out by a repeated selection of S1. This activity required 3 cycles of planting period to produce one selection type. Selection is considered stable if it is display maximum uniformity among others, and at least 4 selection cycles have been achieved. Kim stated that the outer layer of kernel composed of material tissue was identified as a major factor in plant resistance in preventing egg laying in seed. Other researchers found 6 pure tropical maize lines that were resistant to pests, within the main character being the structure of the seed cotyledon. It was stated that the resistance of maize to this pest is determined by the genetical factor that influence pest behavior. This genetic factor can play a real role for example, a non-prevalent in terms of laying egg, access to food and shelter, and antibiotic plant produce toxic compound for the insect. Other researchers stated that high content of ferulic acid, phenolic acid in seed, and level of hardness of the seed appear to be dominant factor affecting the resistance of seed from the insect infestation. Based on the research information, the program of crossing and assembling varieties must refer to the creation of varieties with the aspect of perfect host cover. Producing corn kernel that contain a good outer layer of material seed because this factor affect the aspect of plant resistance. Assembling varieties that produce seed with a perfect cotyledon structure and assembling varieties that produce seed with a large portion of ferulic acid and phenolic acid. Because this acid significantly influence the plant resistance mechanism. A closed husk that is longer than the cob can reduce the powder beetle infection since the seeds are still in the field. The outer layer of corn kernel composed of material tissue was identified as a major in plant resistance in preventing egg laying in seed. The identification of source of resistance and population formation of a source resistant gene. Population of resistant gene. Research to find this source of resilience has been conducted by Oman, which is focused on establishing population for sources of resistant gene. Selection material comes from the basic population genetic originating from Malang composite, namely MCA, FSC5, and so on. And is self-crossed and produced 749 lines. The lines were then evaluated for resistance to powder beetle pest in laboratory by observing the ratio of genetic variants, the total variant, and estimating the progress of selection. Based on the recording of heritability unit range, which noticed from 0.83 to 0.99 with an outbreak of 0.97, it is indicated that the diversity of the selection result was caused by the genetic factor, which means that the opportunity to obtain maize that is resistant to powder beetle pest is quite large because the result of screening show that the composite Malang has a lower attack than the other population. From the above population of a lion, if a lion selected with an attack intensity of less than 10%, then S1 selection is carried out. A new resistant population will be obtained, which can be developed as a source of resistance. The formation of line and varieties. Formation of line and varieties aim to improve the genotype of maize resistant to powder. A self-pink selection method was chosen so that a segregation occurred at the homozygote locus, that is, in turn, the unwanted character would be appear and be easily removed. Full ship selection or sibling selection is a selection carried out by crossing superior plant, sturdy, healthy, good appearance, not falling into new families that carry resistance to powder beetle pest. Such selection is suitable in combination with yield and screening activities for pest and disease resistance. The line come from individual plants that have high character egg of the ear hair coming out of the ear and the egg of Haplosphaeritis. The higher the selection, the more uniform diversity in population. The formation conclusion. The source of resistance from genetic factor has the opportunity to be transferred to superior varieties. A closed husk that is longer than the cob can reduce powder beetle infection while the seeds are still in the field. Several component controls, such as the application of environmental sanitation, the use of chemical fumigation or bugging, the application of good cultivation technology, the application of physical and mechanical control technique are proven not to significantly reduce the population. Based on the result, it is known that the varieties that are resistant to powder have the characteristic of perfect host cover, corn kernel which contain good outer layer of the seed, corn kernel which have a perfect cotyledon structure, and corn kernel which have contained a large portion of ferulic acid. The outer layer of corn kernel is composed of material tissue, which was identified to be a major factor in resistance to preventing egg laying. The population of Malang has a lower attack rate than other population if a lion selected with an attacking intensity than less than. Genetic factor can play a real role. For example, a non-preference in terms of laying egg, access to for food and shelter, and antibiotic, and produce component of insect. Conclusion: Masud et al. Has tested the resistance of UPN line against powder beetle. The result of the 50 tests show 9 of them highly resistant. Then Rio Rawe has tested several QPN line, resulting that 4 QPN line was high resistant to attack of the powder beetle. Cause and chemical factor related to resistant phenolic acid content, protein, and amino acid. The phenolic acid content, the lower protein content, and the lower acid amino acid content, the more resistant to line was attacked. Variety was attacked by fodder beetle. Thank you.